Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing question number 5a. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Contact number is 900 Now the question number 5a is the study of macroeconomics variables is essential for the formation of policy and the economic development of a country. Justify the statement with suitable illustrations. This question is from lesson 12 and we have to answer it in the 100 to 120 150 words. If you need the answer of all the subjects, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. Thank you so much for watching.